Today we are trying the Super Fudge Brownie from King Aurthur Bakery. Shout out to them. I got them from Amazon Prime. This video is not sponsored by nobody, but soon it will be, you know? I believe I can achieve. But yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, beautiful hot messes. My name is Mistress Lavender, also known as the Findom Dictator, and welcome to my YouTube where I post every single day, multiple times a day, because I have amazing things to say, and I hope you have a great day so far. So let's get into it. This is the chocolate fudge brownie. You literally make it in 30 seconds. So it comes in like a powder. You put like a tablespoon of water, then you mix it really good until it stirs to a fudgy consistency. Put it in the microwave 30 seconds, and then boom, they're like melty chocolate chips. I hope I get a good one. I think I put a little bit too much water, but this is what it looks like. First bite for you. Get them out. It's so good. And this brand also has like cake, chocolate chip. I only tried this one. If you are balling on a budget, that's perfectly okay because it is Snap EBT available. So no shame in the game. Listen to this. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, I put a bit too much water, but for this being microwaved, I know you came for the burp. Relax. You're welcome. If you want to do a video call with me, you already know, must be 18 plus.